What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile data not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and here you will see a mobile data button. So tap on this button to turn it off or turn it on. So turn on and off mobile data 2 to 3 times, and after that the mobile data will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the mobile data issue, then the next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone your mobile data will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the network settings, the mobile data will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.